So I do have my 20-inch hedge trimmer here. Now this is cordless. We've got two batteries here that I'll show you just in a minute how they all work. Now it does come with a little cover right here for the blades. This will give you a good view of what the blades actually look like. We do have a guard right here. And what I like about this handle right here, it actually twists depending on if you're cutting up like this or down. You pull on these little levers right here, and it's going to go ahead and you see here you can rotate that 180 degrees. It's got a good handle here. Now it does have a safety in here so that for this to actually turn on, you have to squeeze the handle and squeeze this at the exact same time. It does come with two 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. And what I like about it, we have a button right here. So when we press that, you can see those LEDs come on and let you know how much battery power is left in there. Just clicks right on in there. We're going to squeeze this handle and squeeze this. And you are ready to go. Now the charger, it works real simple too. All it does is it plugs into this port right through here. Now this does have a rubber grip handle here, so it's really easy to grip whether I'm using bare hands like I am now, or you're using gloves. So let's go ahead and just turn this on. I'm going to go ahead and grip this handle up here, and then I'm going to pull on the trigger. That made my work so much easier. It's better than doing it manually. It's got two batteries, so it's going to last me quite a while. Makes my job easier. I love the safety features that are built in this. And it's also 20 inches. So if you're reaching over some hedges that are kind of pretty far out, since this is 20 inches, you can go ahead and really do that. Just makes it a whole lot easier. Hope you found this review helpful.